Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making always tender pressure cooker beef tips. Alright, I'm starting out in my 6-quart pressure cooker, and I have roughly a 3-pound London broil I cut into beef tips. I'm going to get that down in there. We're not browning these. We're just going to place them down in there. And I have my pressure cooker on to start preheating, so this goes even quicker. Now I'm going to season this with my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper and garlic. There's a bunch of other good stuff in there. If you don't have this, just use spices that have those spices in them. Now I have 2 onions that I cut into quarters and about 3 stalks of celery, 3 ribs of celery. They're going to go down in there. And it's going to be a really quick and easy one-pot meal. And I'm going to add in about 2 cups of beef broth. And I'm just eyeballing this. A little more, that looks good. And I'm going to put a little more seasoning on top of my vegetables. Now over here, I have a piece of foil with some red skin potatoes. I cut into hearty sized chunks, put some of that seasoning on it, and a half a stick of margarine. I'm going to go ahead and close this all up. We're going to steam these potatoes while our beef tips and vegetables cook. And I'm just going to place it right in on top of the vegetables. Now I'm going to put my lid on here. And I have this set to pressure cook for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are up, I'll let it do a natural release of the pressure, and then it'll be ready to go. Alright, my 20 minutes are up. I left it do a natural release for about 5 minutes. I took my foil pouch out with my potatoes and sat them over here in a pot to keep them out of the way. Now I turned the sauté setting on and bring this up to a gentle boil. I have a cornstarch slurry, which is about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and probably about 4 tablespoons of water. I'm going to go ahead and stir that in with the vegetables and the beef to thicken this up into a gravy. And this isn't going to take long, guys. It's already starting to thicken. And I'll taste this for seasoning. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. I'll start with the beef tips. See how they just pull apart. Get some of that gravy. Really tender. Good beef flavor. That gravy's really good. Try a piece of celery. Now the onions are cooked down in there. Celery's infused with the beef flavor and the seasoning. Let me try some of these potatoes. And I went ahead and served some of that butter from the bottom of the foil pouch over top of the potatoes. Potatoes are buttery, well seasoned. Guys, that was really easy, really delicious, one-pot meal. Alright, there you have it. Always tender pressure cooker beef tips. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.